Root Deep is India's #1 anti-hair loss treatment, which is a very easy to do 4-step in-salon treatment. With this treatment, the aim is to get energized, strengthened hair roots and healthy scalp. So let's begin the process. The first step, we begin with the oil massage. I'm going to take the pre-treatment oil, pour it into a bowl, take a piece of cotton, dip it in, apply the pre-treatment oil, focusing on the scalp and a bit of the hair. Move to the next section. Again apply on the scalp. The oil that we have is 100% natural and made with precious actives. Massage gently for 10 minutes. Wrap it with the hot towel and leave it for 5 minutes. We will now shampoo the hair. We begin with rinsing the oil with plain water for 2 minutes. Once we rinse the oil completely, we will shampoo the hair. Root Deep shampoo is sulfate free and very mild on the scalp. It has scalp purifying and soothing actives. Rinse the shampoo thoroughly. Repeat in case of oily or dandruff prone scalp. We're done with the shampoo and we move to the next application, which is the Root Recharge Synergy. We will be applying this tonic with the help of a dropper. We'll apply drops of this treatment on the scalp where the client is losing more hair. It's generally the area on the crown. Give gentle massage to assist the penetration of the products into the hair roots. This will give immediate rush of blood to the hair roots. And so, our client will see some instant benefits from the next day itself. Continue the massage for 1 minute for better spreadability. So we're done with the tonic and now we apply the Intenso Fluid Cream. This mask is to be applied on the hair shaft. For the application, take thick sections and apply the mask. Ensure that you spread it well. Move to the next section and follow the same procedure. This particular mask is rich in natural butter, lipids and proteins, which takes care of the health of the shaft. Once the application is done, we leave it on for 20 minutes. With this process, you can perform Root Deep hair retention therapy with ease and ensure fantastic results for all your clients suffering from hair loss.